Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. If you want to learn programming codes, then watch this. In this video, we will tell you how you can learn free codes from an Android app named as Sololearn. So let's start with the video and see how it works. Open Google Play Store on your mobile, search the app Sololearn, learn to code for free. Here is the app. Install this app. It has 1 million plus downloads. Let's see some of the features. Sololearn is the #1 coding app on the mobile. Sololearn has the largest collection of free codes learning content for beginner to pro. Choose from thousands of programming topics to learn coding concepts. Join millions of other coders for anytime, anywhere. Access to countless codes, topics, and assignments. Features on tech craft, hobbies, product hunt, fresh free content daily, web development, HTML, Python, Java, C, C++, PHP, SQL, Ruby, algorithm, machine learning, design patterns. Personalized content is delivered based on your progress, performance, and hottest market trends. Free, free 24/7 support, free knowledge sharing, free mobile code editor, updated on 2nd May 2018. App is installed now. Open it. Sign in with your Gmail account. Here you see the different topics. Open course. Here you see basic concept, conditionals and loops, data type arrays. Here are different questions to fill. Leave the test. Click on the course. Different topics. What is C++? Here is its definition. To unlock other topics, you have to answer the questions of first topic. Go to Welcome to C++ again. Click Continue. Give the answer of this question. Continue. Check it's correct. Click Continue. And here next topic is Unlock Code Playground. Here put the code and run it. Here is the output. Change the theme, font size, save. Font size, copy link. Share it. Here is the most recent about the programming. Different articles. Search the topic you want to learn. Bookmark your topics. Learn the basics, coding challenges, latest additions, bootstrap, data structure, logarithm, C language, machine learning, and much more. Start a challenge. Select the opponent. Answer the questions in this competition. I leave it for now. Here are the questions. You can add your own question to get the answer. Notifications here. You have unlocked the engage in badge. Here it shows you profile or activity. Share, invite friends, edit profile settings. So this is the best app to learn coding. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Yeah.